Good day, everyone, and welcome back to Mrs. Princess Challenge Assembly. Before we get to the challenges, though, we just want to say hi to everyone. We hope everyone had a good weekend. Got a little bit cold over the weekend, but we hope everyone stayed warm and were able to enjoy some family time together. Now, before we begin the full assembly, we always usually start with one of our precepts. A precept is a rule that we live by, and this year is the year of respect. So a lot of our precepts revolve around respect. This week's precept is respect other people's feelings. It might mean nothing to you, but it could mean everything to them. We're living in odd times at the moment, spending a lot of time with just a few people. We all have different feelings and emotions. We need to remember to stay kind, caring, and understanding. Respect that we are all feeling different things at the same time. We need to remember we must be kind. Now, last week was an amazing week. I am so impressed by all the work that all the children have done and the work that the parents, families, carers have done with their children. You can see that the children are thriving under your care and helping them with their schoolwork. And I have to say, I was just bowled over by the number of rainbows from the Rainbow Challenge as well. What an amazing thing that all of you have done, bringing cheer and helping people to feel a little bit better as they go out on their daily walks. So well done to everyone. Fantastic. Now, we're about to start this week's challenge. What do you think it might be? So, did you guess daffodils? If you did, then you're correct. This week's challenge is going to be about daffodils. Look at all the different kinds of daffodils that are out there. Your challenge is to create daffodils or do something that is creative around daffodils. Now, one of the first things you think of is to draw daffodils or paint daffodils or color daffodils, and that is brilliant. Take those daffodils, draw them, paint them, color them. Make sure you put them around your house or even in your windows next to the rainbows to brighten up our day and remind us we're coming into spring. You can also be really creative and make daffodils using some recycled items or you have around the house to make some beautiful daffodils like you see here. I really like this pinwheel that's been made, as well as I like this daffodil wreath put on a door in your house to brighten everything. Or maybe you want to write a daffodil poem. Whatever it is that you want to do, make sure that you share it with us on Twitter at Newlands_PS. Now you know the YouTube channel is up and running because you're watching this video now, but the lessons are starting to go online now for your classes. If you look at the top of the page on YouTube, you can see the playlist circled in red. Click on that, and that's going to take you to a list of channels for each one of the different classes. So for example, here we have Cambridge class and Oxford class. You click on your class and then you're going to come up with the videos for your class. So you see, we also have other things like bird watching. You have Mrs. Princess Assemblies and challenges. You have science in there as well. You click on them and there's lots of videos to help you with your learning as we go through the coming weeks. We've included uplifting music. We have history. We have also some PE lessons in there, some mindfulness and meditation music, some story times, lots of lessons there, lots of things for you to do to keep you busy during the week. Now, there's another challenge going on, and it's not just for Newlands, it's one that's going on across the entire world, and it is the hashtag Mindfulness for Children Challenge, and it's 30 days of strategies with a new strategy each day for you to try. I encourage all our children to take each day and try out each day because there's some amazing activities and strategies to help us remain calm and stay relaxed. And that's important for our own mental health and well-being during this difficult time. So, you have lots to do this week, don't you? Lots of things to keep you busy. We hope that you're able to be a little bit creative and are sharing your creativity with all of us. Remembering, show respect to each other, be kind, be caring, take care of each other. That's really important. And make sure you let us know what you're doing. Use Twitter, use your teacher's emails. That's a fantastic way that we get to know that you're doing okay, as well as you sharing your fantastic work with all of us. So, until Friday, have a good day.